class 10th. In this video, we will revise next topic from the chapter Manufacturing Industries. In this video, at first we will discuss about second important agro-based industry, that is jute textile industry. Jute textile industry. So with regard to the jute textile, this industry is one of the most important traditional industries in India. At present, most of the jute mills are concentrated in West Bengal. Kolkata is the most important center of jute textile in our country. India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods and stands at second place as an exporter after Bangladesh. There were about 80 jute mills in the year 2010 and 11. Most of these are located in West Bengal, mainly along the banks of river Hooghly. In a narrow belt 98 km long and 3 km wide. Now let us discuss about the importance of the industry. As it is a labor intensive industry, so it provides employment to skilled as well as unskilled workers. Jute products are the major items of exports. Our country is the second largest exporter of jute products after Bangladesh, and it accounts for more than 20% of the total export earning. Now let us discuss about West Bengal. West Bengal has the largest concentration of jute industry, what I told you earlier. Over 84% of the jute goods production of India comes from West Bengal. Andhra Pradesh is the other main producer. Most of the mills are within the distance of 64 km from Kolkata along the Hooghly River. As a matter of fact, there is a narrow belt of jute mills which is 100 km long and about 3 km wide along both the banks of river Hooghly. Now let us discuss about what are the factors which are responsible for high concentration of jute mills in the Hooghly basin. Here you can see in this slide some of the points have been included. First one, raw material. The fertile Ganga-Brahmaputra delta grows about 90% of India's jute and provides raw material to jute mills here. Coal, which is required for power, is obtained from Raniganj and Asansol coal fields. Then transportation. Cheap water transportation is available. The area is also served by network of roads and railways. Then water. Abundant water is available for processing, washing and dyeing of jute from river Hooghly. Then port city. Kolkata is a big port which helps in the import of machinery and spare parts and in the export of finished jute products. Labor. High density of population in West Bengal and in the neighboring parts of Bihar and Jharkhand provides abundant cheap labor. Some labor comes from Uttar Pradesh as well. After that, banking, or we can say the finance, There is easy flow of capital because big capitalists are living in and around Kolkata. Banking and insurance facilities are also available. After that, we'll discuss about the challenges or the problems faced by the jute industry. So, with regard to the challenges faced by jute industry, first one, that is the problem of raw material. After independence, most of the jute producing areas went to Bangladesh, erstwhile East Pakistan, resulting in acute shortage of raw jute. Although successful efforts have been made to increase the supply of raw jute since independence, it still falls short of our current requirements. After that, international competition. Our jute industry has to face very high, or you can say tough competition from synthetic packaging material of the advanced countries of Europe and North America. Thus, such the market for jute goods has shrunk. Secondly, Indian jute industry is facing very stiff competition from Bangladesh, Philippines, Japan, Brazil and Thailand in international market. Then least demand. Due to synthetic substitutes in domestic as well as international markets, the overall demand for jute products is gradually decreasing in the international market. Then high prices. The Indian jute industry is being competed out of international market because of high prices. The high prices of Indian jute goods are explained by the use of obsolete machinery, the existence of inefficient and uneconomic units, high price of raw jute and highly unreliable supply position with regard to raw material. In order to solve mentioned problems, Indian government has taken following steps. In 2005, National Jute Policy was formulated with the objective of increasing productivity, improving quality, ensuring goods prices to the jute farmer, and enhancing the yield per hectare. Second important step, government has made it mandatory to use jute packaging. Market. The main markets are USA, Canada, Russia, United Arab Emirates, UK and Australia. The growing global concern for environment-friendly biodegradable materials has once again opened the opportunity for jute products. After that, sugar industry. This is another important agro-based industry. So with regard to the sugar industry, it is one of the most important industry in India. India is the fourth major sugar producing country in the world, the first three being Russia, Brazil and Cuba. Sugar industry occupies an important place among organized industries in India. Most unique feature of this industry is that most of the mills are under cooperative sector because this industry is seasonal in nature. In the sense, this industry is getting raw material within particular seasons only. Then importance of sugar industry. It ranks as the third largest industry in terms of its contribution to the net value added by the manufacturer. The industry employs more than 3.25 lakh workers besides creating extensive indirect employment for 25 million cultivators of sugarcane. It is also an important source of excise duty for the central government. There are now 420 sugar factories in India with total installed capacity of about 15 million tons. After that, distribution. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Bihar are the major producers of sugar. Sugar industry has two major areas of concentration. One comprises Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Punjab in the north, other that of the Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh in the south. The sugar industry is established in areas of sugar cultivation due to following reasons. Its raw material is heavy and perishable in nature. Sugar cane cannot be stored for long as the loss of sucrose, that is the sugar juice in sugar cane. Next one, that is the sugar cane cannot be transported over long distances because it may get dried on the way. After that, difference between the sugar industry of North and the peninsular India. There are marked differences between the sugar industries of the northern and the peninsular India as a result of better conditions prevailing in the peninsular India. The sugar industry is gradually shifting from North India to the peninsular India. This is evident from the fact that previously North India used to produce about 90% of India's sugar, which is reduced to 35 to 40% now. So what are the reasons due to which sugar mills are shifting towards the peninsular or southern India? First one is climate. Sugarcane is a tropical crop. Peninsular India has tropical climate which gives higher yield per unit area as compared to North India. Higher sucrose. Due to favorable climatic condition, sucrose content is also higher in tropical variety of sugarcane in the south. Then long crushing period. The crushing season is also much longer in the south than in the north. For example, crushing season is of nearly 4 months in the north. On the other hand, it is of nearly 7 to 8 months in the south. Then better management. The cooperative sugar mills are better managed in the south than in the north. After that, we will discuss about the problems of sugar industries. First one, low yield of sugarcane. Although India has the largest area under sugarcane cultivation, the yield per hectare is extremely low as compared to some of the major sugarcane producing countries of the world. Then short crushing season. Manufacturing of sugar is a seasonal phenomenon with a short crushing season varying normally from 4 to 7 months in a year. The mills and its worker remain idle during the remaining period of the year, thus creating financial problems for the industry as a whole. Then high cost of production. High costs of sugarcane, inefficient technology, uneconomic process of production, and heavy excise duty result in high costs of production. The production cost of sugar in India is one of the highest in the world. Then old and obsolete machinery. Most of the machinery used in Indian sugar mills, particularly those of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, is old and obsolete, being 50 to 60 years old and needs rehabilitation. Then Underutilization of byproducts. Byproducts of sugar industry is not properly utilized. After crushing the sugarcane, the bag is either burnt as a fuel or it is used as fodder. About the mineral based industries, we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.